Big day today, huh?
We're going to country number 11.
Hey guys, good morning. It is our last day here in Albania, and we are going to country number 11, as Amy just said, but also we are doing our first ever land border crossing. I mean, we've done one from US to Canada, but outside of US, Canada, we've never done it before.
I got all excited when I woke up this morning being like, this is our first land border crossing. That's pretty lame. I bet that's how people that like live in Europe feel. Like land border crossings aren't that big of a deal.
Yeah. Anyways, we're super excited. We'll take you along the journey with us to country number 11. All right, you all packed up?
Yeah, but I don't really want to leave this room. This hotel was the best.
Guys, we're staying just north of the square in Tirana. Almost brand new hotel. I think it was opened like half a year ago, 6 months ago. Yeah. Look at it.
Huge room.
Huge room.
Super clean. Yeah.
Super clean and new. We got a balcony.
It's nice to have access to the outdoors, dry your clothes, get a little fresh air when you're doing vlogs at the nice desk.
Not bad. Got a lot of storage space. You get a big bathroom. You know, it's super good. Shower that's enclosed. So, if you're looking to stay in a place in Tirana, we strongly suggest this place. We're not sponsored, but it's called In Center Hotel.
The guy that works here is so super sweet. He hung out with us last night. We chatted for a long time. He didn't even ask us to pay, and so we're gonna pay on our way out.
Yeah, we've been here for 3 nights.
He's like, whatever, just pay when next tomorrow. It doesn't matter. No worries.
Got a little breakfast in the mornings included. Coffee, super good.
Yeah.
So, In Center Hotel in Tirana. Talk to Andrit.
How much did you pay for this value, man?
This is about $26 a night.
26. It's a little steep for us as of lately, if you believe it, but really good deal.
Really good deal. Let's go.
At this point, we've been on 2 different overnight buses in 2 different countries, and both of them didn't have a bathroom. The one in Japan didn't even stop for you to go to the bathroom. One in Ukraine did, at least.
Yeah.
But imagine if like a 3-hour bus ride, we had a bathroom.
Crazy.
It's so crazy. But nice bus. It's actually kind of crazy. When we were thinking about coming to Albania, we were like, oh, we'll use a lot of buses, we'll travel around. But everywhere I read, it said that the buses were not reliable, that they always like ran late. And you just like have to show up at the bus station and just wait for a bus. He showed up at the bus station, bought a ticket, he told us when the bus left, and the bus left exactly on time.
But there isn't any information about buses and schedules like anywhere.
You have to go to the bus station.
You have to go to the bus station. Alright guys, I think we're pulling up to the border right now. I can see it.
Oh.
It's been about 2.5 hours we've been driving.
This bus has some very loud, fun music.
Yeah. But they did pass around a sheet where we had to put our names, our birthday, and our passport numbers in there. They're going to give it to, I think, the customs. They're going to probably collect passports, I'm guessing. So we'll let you know how it goes. I think they're going to come up and grab our passports. The bus driver made an announcement in Albanian. Couldn't understand a thing. It's only been 10 minutes, so it's not that long.
That'd be super fast. A border official came in, took everybody's passports and IDs. We just started to roll forward a little bit. It is a little weird just like handing away your passport. He did a really good job of like putting them in order though. Like I don't think you have to like go fight through them all.
We were the only blue passports in there.
You look?
Yeah.
There are other countries that are blue.
I know, but we were the only blue ones. Passports are back, and they're just gonna start passing them back. I guess we all made it through.
That's so awesome. They ours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The only 2 blue ones, like I said.
Did we get a stamp?
Kosovo, we got stamps.
Country number 11.
I guess you gotta do a little transfer.
Packed in like sardines.
Yeah. I didn't realize we'd have to do a little transfer. Get on a little mini bus to get to the center.
Because we're still pretty far.
We're still pretty far. We gotta go like down here.
That's alright, I'm okay with walking.
All right, let's do it. We gotta find an ATM too. All right. The adventure continues.
Exactly.
Got everything?
I think so.
Passport, phone, a wallet.
Welcome to country number 11.
Welcome to Kosovo.
Looks pretty modern. I think we're gonna head over to the more old city. That is where
old
we're
city.
sitting.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
where we're staying. So many countries have pretty colored money.
Yeah.
Back to Europe.
Back to Euros, guys. Wasn't too bad. Found an ATM. Asked the local. We decided to not use data this time in this country because we're going to be passing by pretty shortly. We didn't really want to use too much. Yeah, we just got to go find our hotel the old school way.
Yev says the old school way, but we're still using a phone, still using Google Maps, but he pre-downloaded
An offline map.
an offline map. So like it's just like using a normal map. All right, let's go find our place with our map.
Let's do it.
Thanks for downloading it so we're not lost.
Hello.
We're getting a lot of attention with this camera out.
Hey, you know, people weren't big fans of cameras in Albania. Maybe they like cameras here in Kosovo.
I know, we keep getting hello, hello. All right, let's go find a hotel. See a hostel sign.
We're here.
Not bad.
Not bad. We got 4 beds. Night 1 sleep here, night 2 sleep there.
So we can decide which one's comfy.
Yeah, probably these 2 because they're next to each other.
Oh. It is totally dark outside. The sun goes down here at about 4:30, so we really couldn't see anything coming in, and I'm really excited to wake up to a brand new city, a brand new country, and explore it for the next few days. And we will see you guys in the next one here in Prizren.
Prizren, Kosovo.
Prizren, Kosovo. I probably should learn how to say it confidently. Bye, guys.
Again, super excited. We hope you enjoy it with us and subscribe to our channel so you can check it out too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Like I just said, it helps us.
I've accidentally uploaded Insta story while we were doing that. I need to delete it.
Yeah. You're gonna pound 11 times?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ow.
No idea. He said hello, but other than that, I'm not sure.
Oh, I don't know.
We're gonna explore Prizren. Shameless plugs it all day, every day.
Oh my gosh.
It's my new role in this.
Relationship?
Shameless plugs, but yeah.
I love it.